What is up, fam? This video is just going over my failure to succeed at fixing the Puffco Peak Pro atomizer chamber. My chamber is still working and good, just the tools from both these companies did not work out, so let's go. Now I know what you want to hear. Great success! This was not the case. We had a big problem, and in that we had both tool set from both company go kaput. They did not do very well, I will tell you, and I'm sorry, but we will do another one later once I get new tool. So I appreciate you guys and all you guys watching video. Beyond that, thank you very much. Jak się masz? Hey guys, Peak Pro chamber rebuild trial 1 fail, did not do too well. Used 3 different pry tools and multiple at the same time. I tried to use all 3 tools at the same time. None of it was getting that ring hinge off of the atomizer chamber, so that was unfortunate. But beyond that, good to know that I don't know. I'm good to know that we don't know. So I'm gonna do my best to get another set and give it another try. I will say that don't try to pry too hard. I cut my thumb pretty bad, not too bad where I needed stitches or anything, but it affected my relaxating gaming sessions playing Halo, and Apex actually didn't play for a number of days because of that, so that was a problem. But you know, if you want to subscribe or follow me on Twitch, I'm gonna plug that right now. Catching solo dubs, running Loba all day. I'm a lazy looter, not trying to do too much except get that dub and kabooter. So that's pretty much it. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Hopefully it was a little bit funny with that intro. Other than that, I will try my best to get another one of these sets, as I said before. And if you haven't thought about subscribing, feel free to try that, because I got 6 sweepstakes giveaways that we're doing on this channel every month. We have one that we just did yesterday. We've got a weekly that's going to end on the 3rd, which is tomorrow, and then we will be starting up another one, as well as doing another live sweepstakes giveaway next week sometime. So check all that out if you want to be a part of it. Thanks for checking out this channel. Much love. Fuck.
Activating jump drive.
God fucking damn it.
I used our teammate's banner. 10 seconds until the ring closes. I've gotta move. Hold on, I need to heal. Hold on, I need to heal. You are the Apex champions.
We did it.